money. But our main message is this evening, really, isn't it, Bird? Is to say, and I'm going to have to take my glasses off for this, Bird.
What did we tell about that?
I tell you, Bird, because the NHS and the nurses in the hospital and stuff, we was out a couple of years ago cheering those nurses.
Was that?
Banging pots and pans.
What the hell were you doing that for? That's our book.
You was banging pots and pans all day and night, you were, Bird. Even before they even announced it.
Yeah, go look at them clean and sunny, Bird.
But I've told you, Bird, you've got to stop clapping and banging the pots and pans these nights because it's stopped now. What we need to do is try to help the nurses.
What stopped that, Doc?
The nurses have stopped, Bird.
What, them not working at all? What, them not working at all?
They're off by the government.
What's all them empty?
The government are